Tuscaloosa, Northport, Jasper, Winfield, Fayette, Haleyville, Summit-Un, Aliceville. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for north central Chilton County, southern Shelby County, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Harrisburg, or near Brent, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Calera, Montevallo, Columbiana, Jemison, Wilsonville, Wilton, University of Montevallo, Lay Lake, American Village, Shelby, Manuka Park, Beeswax Creek Park, Alabama Flowers Center, Waxahachie Creek, Highway 145 and Creek 46, Kelly Branch, Spring Creek, Gaston Steam Plant and Shelby Shores. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Chilton and Shelby,